Namaste. My name is Samidha Kolatkar, founder of Yog Sutras. Today we explore Brahma Mudra, a simple yet powerful practice that connects posture and presence. So often we calm the mind first, but clarity begins with alignment. Through gentle head rotations and conscious breathing, we release tension from the neck, shoulders, and upper spine, the spaces where stress quietly settles. When the spine aligns, the breath deepens. When the breath deepens, the mind settles. This practice is very helpful for those who spend long hours at a desk, feel stiffness in the neck, feel mentally overloaded, or simply need a reset in between tasks. It may look simple, but don't underestimate its impact. Sit tall, relax your shoulders, and begin aligning the spine to align the mind. And don't forget to click subscribe for access to more wellness videos. Let's begin the practice. We are now going to explore some amazing stilling down by using Brahma Mudra, where we fold the thumbs, we roll the forefingers, we place the mudra in the center of the lap. We bring in the awareness to the posture, but at the same time, we have to loosen up the hips, the thighs, the knees, the feet, shoulders more relaxed, face more gentle, and chin parallel. We are going to move the head using 8 counts, and we roll like the arm of a clock. We're using the 8 counts, we roll completely on the right side. We remain there for 4. Then we reverse again using the 8 counts. We remain in the center for 4 counts. And we repeat the same on the other side. We will do this thrice before we move to the last part of the practice of chanting. So let's begin. Gently close your eyes. Get into your breath. And use the natural rhythm of your breath while we are doing this movement of the head. Let's begin. We first are going to roll over the right shoulder. Typically, you can breathe in, and while exhaling, you can start moving the head. And when you finish your exhale, just feel free to breathe in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be there, keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse, keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. In the center, remain here for 4, 3, 2, 1. We start rolling on the left side and make it a more continuous movement and not intermittent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain there for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We remain here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Start moving on the right for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain there for 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remain in the center for 1, 2, 3, 4. Start rolling on the left for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold there for 4, 3, 2, 1. Start moving to return 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remain here for 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round on the right and once on the left. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain there for 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remain here for 1, 2, 3, 4. On the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain there for 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Allow yourself to absorb this stillness, this after effect, as this slow move is extremely instrumental in cutting out all the fluctuations, the clutter, the over-occupied thoughts, and bring you to a more calmer place. So just allow the breath, the stillness to be a part of your awareness. And then gently release your palms and bring them back onto your thighs.